Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're the Nerdy Kiddos. I'm here today with
Mikey.
This little boy right here. What's your name?
Mikey.
And this little girl right here. What's your name?
Iliana.
Iliana. And today we're gonna do something really nerdy, super nerdy.
And fun.
And fun. Okay?
So funny.
And funny, maybe.
No, funny, no, because nerdy and fun.
It's funny. Yes. So today we're gonna do something really crazy, and we're gonna use these Peeps. Show me the Peeps. All right. Today we're gonna calculate the speed of light. Do you know what the speed of light is, Iliana? What is it?
The speed of light is when you make stuff and...
Mikey, do you know what the speed of light is?
It is when you time how much it melts and that.
How much it melts?
Yeah. I mean how much seconds it melts.
How much seconds it melts? So both of you are totally wrong. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna calculate.
Aren't you gonna ask Mom?
Mom, do you know what the speed of light is?
The rate at which light travels.
That's a pretty good answer. But it's just how fast light travels.
Hey, that's the same thing. Rate's the same thing. Rate equals fast.
Or rate equals something different.
Rate equals 10.
Yes. So we're gonna see how fast light travels, okay? And to do that, we need some supplies. So we have, Mikey, you have what in your hand are you holding?
Peeps.
Peeps. So we need something that will melt. Toothpicks. Iliana, what's that?
It's a measuring thing.
It's a measuring thing. That's a ruler, right?
Yeah. And then a calculator.
We need a calculator, and
some
then
paper and a
Iliana,
pen.
what's this?
It's a pen.
A pen. Mikey, what do you have?
Paper.
Paper, and then we need something to put the Peeps in. So we
And
need
it's
something
in
that you
a
can
bowl.
put in the microwave, a microwave safe bowl.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
We can cover it and it can't splatter. Yeah.
And it can splatter?
No, it can't splatter.
It can't splatter. To calculate the speed of light, here's what we're gonna do.
Step 1, fill with Peeps. Step 2, put the bowl inside the microwave.
Two minutes, 30 seconds.
No, it's in there.
Cook power to 40%. And go.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Next what? Step, find the soft parts. I found the soft one.
Yeah, I can kind of tell where they're supposed to be. Right there. Hold on.
Right
See?
there.
No.
It's too soft.
It's about 6 centimeters. It's about 6 centimeters. That's pretty good. So the next step is to find the soft spots with the Peeps. So in some places it's gonna be hard, like right here, and right here, and right here. It's really hard. But in other places it's soft, like right here and right here. So if you take your toothpicks and you mark all the soft spots in between, that's what you're looking for. Okay, so soft spot right here.
Oh, it's stuck.
And then a soft spot right here. And then this is a hard spot. This is a hard spot, and this is a soft spot, and this is a soft spot right here. Okay?
Okay.
So So the next step, you're gonna get the paper and the pen and a ruler, okay? And we're gonna measure the distance between the toothpicks. So Mikey, you do the first one. What's the distance between this toothpick and this toothpick?
5 inches.
About 5 inches? Okay, write it down. Can you tell me what's that number?
This one?
This number. Do you know?
Yeah.
That's like about 6.2 inches. Okay?
It's 6.
Okay, what is this one, Mikey? That's like 6. I'm sorry, not inches. These are centimeters.
Centimeters up.
6.1 centimeters. Write it down. 7. So this is like about, let me see. That's like about 6.5, 6.5 centimeters. This one is about, this is about 7 centimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the average, okay? So get the calculator. .8 centimeters, and we're gonna divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide that by 6, and we're gonna get, what's the answer? Let's see. About 6.3 centimeters.
Oh,
Okay.
I said 6. I was close. I said 6. All I said was 6.
Okay, so now here is where we're gonna calculate the speed of light, okay? So we're gonna use a very special formula, okay?
Okay.
It's called the speed of light, which is, what letter is that, Iliana?
That is C.
That's letter C, right?
Yeah.
So the speed of light is equal to this number, or this symbol, Iliana, that's called lambda.
Lambda? What's lambda?
That's lambda.
This?
That's lambda, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Lambda times, Mikey, what's this letter?
F.
F for the frequency, okay?
What's frequency?
Now here's the cool thing. You just calculated lambda. That's this number right here.
Oh.
So if you take lambda is equal to 6.3 times 2. What's that number? Mikey, do you know?
Which one? This one.
6.3 times 2.
Since you love math.
12.6.
That's right. Exactly. 12.6 centimeters, okay? So this equals lambda. Lambda equals 12.6 centimeters.
12.6 centimeters.
Now all we need is F. So let's find the frequency. So Mikey, come here.
Yep.
Come here. Because this is gonna be found in the microwave. You found the frequency, right? So what was the frequency? Do you remember?
2,450 megahertz.
2,450 megahertz. And then
I'll be right back.
Iliana,
I'm still gonna be in there.
do you remember what this letter is? This symbol? What is it? Do you remember?
This one?
This one right here. Lambda.
That is a lambda.
0.6 centimeters. But we need to convert that to meters. So take this number and divide it by 100, and you're gonna get 0.126 meters. Okay, so finally, what you have to do, the speed of light is equal to the frequency times lambda
Lambda.
equals 2,450 times 10 to the 6 times 0.126.
I thought it was to the 8.
So let's use the calculator. .087 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Okay, this is what we calculated. That's our estimate. Now the real speed of light is just about 3.000 times 10 to the 8 meters per second.
Oh.
So this is the real speed of light, and this is what we calculated using the microwave and Peeps. What do you think about that, Iliana?
Cool.
Cool. Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
It means how fast the light comes on.
That's right, how fast the light comes on. Come show us.
Show us the speed of light.
Show us the speed of light. That's the speed of light.
Mama, what is that? We calculated the real speed of light.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So next time you have a science experiment, we can do this for your class. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys really don't care about the speed of light, do you?
We do.
Mikey, Iliana, take us out.
So, subscribe to our channel, like, subscribe, and give us a comment down below. And always remember to keep it real nerdy.
Bye.
All right, bye.